Mabilis na turnover, ready for occupancy at pinaka-affordable na 2-story duplex house dito sa General Trias. Approximately 45 to 60 minutes drive lang ito going to Manila, Airport, Alabang at Tagaytay via Cavitex at Cavite Laguna Expressway. Kaya naman kung interested ka, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Napakaganda nga ng layout nito dahil may division na for ating living, dining area at ang ating kitchen. Included na din upon turnover ang ating kitchen sink with cabinet at may one toilet na ba tayo dito sa ground floor. This is the actual turnover guys. May kita nyo na mayroon tayong mataas na ceiling, kasama na rin ang tiles at may paint na rin ito. We also have service area dito sa back na pwede mong gawing extension ng inyong kitchen area, connecting sa ating side lot. At may provision ito for one carport. Alam mo ba na meron lang tayong small community dito sa ating Springside at may sarili tayong water tank. Going up, meron tayong 3 bedrooms at meron pa tayong 1 toilet and bath. Maganda sa location natin ay malapit lang tayo sa schools, hospitals, malls,